Okay, so the last cheap desk setup video I made did incredibly well, and the feedback from you guys was amazing. So since y'all liked it so much, and since I wanted to do another desk setup video, I am back with a second scoop of minimal desk setup awesomeness with this $100 desk setup. So this time around the budget was $100, and while that is definitely not a lot of money to work with, I was still able to put together a desk setup that is functional and stylish. We got a super clean and minimal desk to hold everything together, a lamp, a mouse, a pair of incredible sounding speakers, and a real plant this time around. Keep in mind the laptop and monitor are obviously not included in the price point because that would be literally impossible. Also, links to everything featured are down below, and let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is the laptop stand because it's kind of the centerpiece of this setup. The idea is when using this setup in a normal day-to-day scenario, you'd pop the laptop out of the stand so you could have a double screen setup and use the keyboard. And when you want to kick back and binge watch some YouTube or something, then you can fold the laptop up into the stand and enjoy whatever you're watching uninterrupted. This stand is super sleek with its space gray color, which I think matches my laptop and the setup really well. It's built great, it's super adjustable, and overall it's a great product to kick this setup off with. The desk I threw all these items onto is the $20 IKEA Riddiman in a Deals combo, and there's honestly not too much to say about this desk. It's white, it's cheap, and it's the perfect starting point for a minimal budget desk setup like this one. It is cardboard, so don't walk on it or abuse it, but functionally, it feels great and looks great, so you can't go wrong with this combo. Alright, so it'd be impossible to continue any further without talking about those beautiful speakers. They're the Pebble desktop speakers from Creative, and they are the best desktop speakers I've ever heard. That's really a surprise because they cost only $20 and $38 for the speakers and the 2.1 system respectively, but no one's complaining because amazing quality for an amazing price is always a win. Before I throw y'all a plot twist with that mouse, I want to mention the three beautiful aesthetic desk ornaments that give this setup its character and pop. The first is this IKEA Tertial desk lamp, which is the cheapest desk lamp I've ever seen at only $10. The second is this small little bamboo plant I picked up from my local grocery store for another Alexander Hamilton. And lastly is this ceramic succulent I actually painted myself. The fact that I painted it myself means you can't buy this exact one, and it costs quite a bit because it's custom, but I will drop links to very similar looking, cheaper succulents down below. So the last item in this desk setup is the mouse, and while this may look like the $50 fancy schmancy Microsoft Arc mouse, it's actually a $12 knockoff that is arguably better. I do own an actual Arc mouse, and in the year I've had it, the virtual scroll wheel has very often gotten stuck off or constantly scrolling. The battery has been drained just about every month, and a piece fell off the bottom I was never able to find and had to cover with tape. I've had none of these problems with the clone, and while when they're both working properly, the actual Arc mouse is better, but you have no room to complain with a mouse that's only $12. So that is my $100 desk setup. I think it's dope, and if you think it's dope too, then drop me a subscribe down below, and welcome to the family. I love all you guys, and I will see you in the next video.